My name is Jared Simpson from MarineMax Boston, coming to you today from the New England Boat Show here on the 35 Sea Ray Sundancer Coupe. Aft, we have an extended swim platform with the gourmet station, which includes an electric grill and a sink. Additional storage below the station, so you can actually cook out here, make a mess, and you're on the swim platform where it's easy to clean and hose off. Moving forward, we equip this boat with teak decks. There's also an optional cockpit table that's included with this boat. Plenty of seating for 8 people here in the cockpit, along with a portside lounger that's elevated so your passengers can actually see out the windows when you're traveling. The thing I like best about this boat is no need for canvas. This boat is a single one-piece windshield, so nothing in your line of sight. No windshield frame, no canvas, clear visibility moving forward. The whole helm station is climate controlled, and when you don't need the climate control, you have a power sunroof up top. This boat is joystick powered, making it easy to maneuver around the docks in tight situations. Simrad GPS chart plotter here with radar. Adjustable steering wheel, digital controls. The galley in this boat is aft. Solid surface countertops. This is a prestige cherry interior that we did on this particular boat. Microwave, stovetop sink. And over to the starboard side, you have a large sofa, L-shaped sofa that pulls out into a bed with a table as well that's removable that stores under the forward bed. Big hull side windows for plenty of natural light, large bed up here forward. And the thing I like about this particular boat is it has a separate stall shower in the head compartment, which is unheard of in a 35-foot boat. Your aft stateroom here has twin side-by-side berths that actually fill in to make it into a single berth. Small sitting area here and a large hanging closet. If you're in the market for a cruiser, the 35 Sundancer Coupe is a must-see. For additional information, please contact me at 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.